Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Zacconi Espresso machine. Now for this machine we basically had to do a lot of work. This was the previous condition of the machine, and in order for the work that we did on this machine was basically remove the entire boiler. That part you see here, all these parts over here completely out. We had to remove all these electronic wires as you see to here, as well as remove these 4 screws that are connecting the entire boiler itself. Once we had the whole machine completely apart, replace all these gaskets that you see right here. These are gaskets are from the boiler itself. Some from the side glass, some here from the piston. This one is from the group head, that one that you see right there. So yeah, we did everything on this machine. We replaced all the gaskets on it, and we've been testing this machine all day on Friday as well as today morning. It has not leaked, has not done anything, and it's just working perfectly the way it's supposed to. So starting one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully pick up the right grind series to this machine. Otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Steady steam coming out of the machine. This chamber only holds 1 ounce of water in there, which is exactly what we got over here in the coffee, just 1 ounce. Perfect shot of espresso. Nice crema, some color, looking great. Steam for this machine, as you can see, nice steady steam coming out of the machine. Excellent temperature as well, working perfectly fine. You can let the machine get a little bit hotter just to see that temperature. In the meantime, this is a nice shot of espresso. As you can see, steam working amazing, nice steady, same temperature, working perfectly fine. No leaks anywhere. No leaks anywhere here on the group head. Here on the boiler itself, on the cap, on the steamers, and anywhere in there. So there you have it, Zacconi working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for the Premium Kanen Coffee. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and hit the bell.